Sending someone a message through the Maroon and Gold network is very simple. Let's practice inviting someone to connect. When you scroll down on the homepage, you will find recommended connections that are people who are here to help. You will see some information about them, and you'll find a button labeled Ask Me Anything. You can also send someone a message using the message button on an individual profile. When you click on the Message or Ask Me Anything button, you will land on a page where you can send a message and request a meeting. The Maroon and Gold network offers several message templates for you to choose from, such as Career Exploration, Expand My Network, or Reconnect. Explore the templates as a starting point and edit them to make them your own. The platform will offer helpful tips to make your message stand out. For example, we recommend introducing yourself fully, indicating why you are reaching out, and making sure that your goals for the outreach match up with the topics the user has said they're willing to help with. You can also include a request to meet with your message by clicking on Request a Meeting and selecting a date and time that works well for you. Finally, hit Send. Congrats! You successfully sent a request to connect through the Maroon and Gold network.